What would happen if Earth had rings like Saturn? Now, a few billion years ago, there is actually a very good chance that Earth did have rings after it crashed into another planet called Theia. All of this rocky debris came together to form another object though, which we now call the moon. But let's say that it didn't, and we still had our rings. What would that look like? Well, unlike Saturn, these rocks are going to be made out of rock, not ice, because of how close we are to the sun, which is going to give us a number of problems. Since moon rock is reflective, if you were at the equator, you would see a bright strip of light in the sky, but the closer you got to the poles, the larger and brighter they would get. Satellites and the International Space Station would have a huge problem trying to navigate them, and we'd probably see a number of collisions. Astronomy in general would be a lot more challenging because a huge portion of the Earth wouldn't even be able to see past them. The rings would disrupt animal navigation, photosynthesis, and oxygen production, making some of the planet uninhabitable. And eventually, just like Saturn's rings, these huge pieces of rock would come crashing down into Earth.